are going to NUSA LEMBONGAN.
Wonderful. I get a feeling it's not going to work, but yes, after 3 months we finally gave up our villa life and our scooter. So we're not finished with Bali yet. We're now off to the next nearest island, which is called NUSA LEMBONGAN. We're going to go there for a week. You take a ferry here from Sanur and it's about an hour's ride on the boat. We used to stay in villas, but now we stay in this little place. It's called Ceningan Bali cottages. I think it's in the South Sanur. They have a nice swimming pool and then these cottages here. Yeah, so we've left most of our luggage here at the place. All our big backpacks, you don't want to go with those into the sea and onto the boats, and apparently it's quite a rough ride, especially this time of the year when the wind is so strong. There's big swells out in the ocean. Off to the boat. Welcome to Lembongan. There you go. And Aldi is our contact for motorbikes.
Thank you.
That's the man if you want a motorbike. 60,000 for one day. The first thing you notice is the crystal clear water.
You don't know how happy I am to be off that boat.
On our way to our hotel. This is not it, but it seems that we have to walk on this pathway to get there. This must be the weirdest entrance to a hotel ever. This walkway is super narrow. Super narrow.
And this is our room for 2 days here in NUSA LEMBONGAN. For a change we have two separate beds. That's my beautiful wife.
And my absolutely handsome, gorgeous husband.
Oh. And now, we just got here about 2 hours ago, but now we're gonna do some exploring. The island's very small, so you can do it in 20 minutes, half an hour, something like that. So we're gonna see if we can do it in half an hour and what's out there, what's there to see. And I have my trusty old friend with me. We call it drone. And as we go out to explore, are you girls ready? Are you girls ready? Girlies, come! We got a scooter here as we landed on the beach. We got a scooter for 60,000 with petrol, so it's not a bad deal, I think, for this island. In Sanur it was 50 and in Canggu we got it for 35. Let me show you our nice little accommodation. What's it called?
Tachi bungalows.
Tachi bungalows in Shipwreck something. August Shipwreck. Look, it's low tide now.
at NUSA Ceningan, and this is the road. Once again, taking the off roads and the back routes, and I think I'm gonna get off. Is that the right road?
Sweetheart, you're going the wrong way. Is this side?
No, it's not me, it's Google Maps. Such a freaking...
I'm a flip.
Here we go again.
Let's hope it's worth it. This road is horrible.
Here's the old tree.
And this is it. On our way to the Devil's Stair, and from what I can see from over here, it's quite touristy, a lot of people, which is a downer for us, but let's go and see. Quite a lot of tourists, but the sound is just amazing. The splashing of the waves is beautiful. It reminds me of our Wild Coast trip. The Putana.
Probably one of the most beautiful places in Nusa Ceningan. One of the most beautiful places here on the southeastern edge of Nusa Ceningan.
Hello, ladies.
Hello.
Just look how beautiful it is. Quite dangerous. Kayla was almost off this cliff. Right on the edge of the island. And there's Nusa Penida. Look at those waves. That's where we're going in 2 days' time. But for now, we are here. And look at this beautiful blue water. We haven't seen this in quite some time. I think Perhentian was the last time we saw water like this. Perhentian Islands in Malaysia, yes. And we are about to witness the sun to go down over Bali, which is that side.
And this was Blue Lagoon on NUSA Ceningan, and it's definitely worth a visit. The water is turquoise blue, it's amazing. It's really definitely worth a visit. NUSA Ceningan you can just reach by crossing the yellow bridge that comes from NUSA Lembongan, and then you're here, and it's a very, very small island. There's no traffic, so you don't have to worry about that. Just jump on a scooter and come and visit it. It's really worth a visit. It's beautiful.
And the nice thing, there's restaurants and bars everywhere. So if you feel like a drink, you just stop, pull over, and you get a drink.
And we're quite thirsty now, so it is time.
I'm going to show you guys something. What I want to show you is this. Looks beautiful, hey? And look at here under. Look at that wave! Look at that huge wave. It was so huge like this. It was been going like this.
Isn't this the most beautiful sunset ever?